Everybody, 12:13:53 seconds, May 24th. This is the, it is the main drawing for the Spider-Man 300 pair, the 9.6 signed by McFarlane, and the raw copy. In this one, whoever comes in first place gets the slab. Whoever comes in second gets the raw copy. Due to the holiday weekend, these will not ship until Tuesday, which is, I don't know, the 28th, 29th, something like that. But after the holiday, okay? So over here are the 77 filled spots. Used 5 minis to get this filled. All right. So we're going to roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 7. I'm going to randomize 7 times. Again, first place will get the slab. Second place will get the raw copy. Best of luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here comes the final one. 7. Ed Piler gets the slab. Chris Blancato gets the raw copy. Time is 12:15. 14